As artificial intelligence becomes a foundation for modern business applications, enterprises are looking for platforms that can scale AI safely and efficiently across the organization. Two of the biggest players in this space are Google's Vertex AI and Microsoft's Azure OpenAI Service. Both offer enterprise-grade infrastructure, powerful language models, and deep integrations with their cloud ecosystems. But they take very different approaches to how AI fits into business operations. Let's compare them to see which one provides the best cloud-based large language model infrastructure for enterprise apps. Google Vertex AI is built as a full machine learning platform that integrates data, training, and deployment under one unified system. It supports a wide range of models, including Google's Gemini family, open source models, and custom models built by organizations themselves. What makes Vertex AI stand out is its flexibility and end-to-end control. Enterprises can use it for everything from model training and fine-tuning to large-scale deployment and monitoring. It is ideal for teams that want to build proprietary AI applications using their own data while maintaining tight governance and security. Vertex AI also shines in its data tooling. Its integration with BigQuery, Looker, and Google Cloud Storage makes it easy to feed structured and unstructured data directly into AI workflows. For large organizations with existing Google Cloud infrastructure, it delivers powerful automation, scalability, and compliance built right into the pipeline. Azure OpenAI Service takes a different route by focusing on instant access to some of the world's most capable language models, like GPT-4 and its successors, hosted securely on Microsoft Azure's infrastructure. Instead of building everything from scratch, enterprises can plug directly into these models through the Azure environment. The service combines OpenAI's model power with Microsoft's enterprise-grade security, identity management, and compliance standards. That means customers get private access to advanced AI capabilities without their data being shared with OpenAI or used to retrain models. Azure's biggest advantage is its seamless integration across Microsoft's ecosystem. Tools like Power BI, Office, and Dynamics can easily tap into AI for automation, summarization, and content generation. For most enterprise teams, this results in rapid deployment of AI features without the complexity of managing models internally. In reality, many enterprises may use both: Vertex AI for innovation and custom modeling, and Azure OpenAI Service for operational AI and enterprise productivity. Together, they represent two sides of modern enterprise AI: Google's platform for building the intelligence and Microsoft's platform for putting it to work.